friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious tomato Chinese yam soup recipe. Hope you like it. Regular consumption of tomato soup can provide you with a variety of health benefits, from reducing the risk of cancer and heart disease to improving male fertility. It also helps improve the health of your skin, bones, heart, and more. Chinese yam has the effects of strengthening the spleen and stomach, benefiting the lungs and relieving cough, strengthening the kidneys and improving essence, and lowering blood sugar. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Chinese yam. Tomatoes. Chopped garlic. Ginger. Peel Chinese yam and diced, then set aside. Remember to wear gloves to avoid touching the yam slime or your hands will itch. Chopped ginger. Cubes tomatoes. Stir-fry chopped ginger until fragrant. Stir-fry tomatoes until release red oil. Pour half bowl water and simmer to boil. Seasoning to taste. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Add Chinese yam and cook for approximately 2 minutes. Plate soup. Let's eat. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.